Hello friends, in our last section we discussed question 15 of SOM series and today we will discuss question 16 of SOM series. Before watching question 6, you make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, because by that concept only all the problems of area of SOM series are solved. So make sure that you have watched my video. If you have not watched my video, then go in the description. You will find the link of video that is part 2 of SOM series, that is how to find area. So first watch that video. So today we will solve question 16 of SOM series. So question 16 of SOM series is, this is question 16 of SOM series. The question is, the region in the first quadrant bounded by the curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to x raised to 4. Here we have to find the area bounded between these both curves. So what is our first step? First of all, we have to draw the diagram. So let's first draw the diagram. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. We know that we have to find just in first quadrant. This will be y is equal to x square and the another curve will be like this, because y is equal to x raised to 4. So when the value of x increases, its value of y will go higher. So it will shrink. It will become smaller and smaller. If the power goes on increasing, it will compress more and more. It will compress if the power goes on increasing. So our bounded region will be this one, because it said we have to find in just first quadrant. So this will be our region. Now we have to find first of all intersecting point to get this point. So equating both the equation, we get x square is equal to x raised to 4. So x raised to 4 minus x square is equal to 0. Taking x square common, we get x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 0 and x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. Here we have get minus 1, here plus 1, but we have to find first quadrant, so it will be plus 1. This will be 0. So we have got the point. We know x belongs to 0 to 1 because it's constant. So we have find this limit. Now we know area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx, because we have found this constant from 0 to 1. So now when it's dy dx, we draw the vertical line. We can see it's entering from, this is which curve? This is curve, the y is equal to x square, y is equal to x square, and it's leaving from, no, it's entering from y is equal to x raised to 4. It's leaving from this curve, this is y is equal to x square. So y belongs to x raised to 4 to x square. Now area is equal to integration from 0 to 1, x raised to 4, x square, 1 into dy dx. Now integration of 1 with respect to dy is y. Its limit are from x raised to 4 to 4 into dx. Now it's x raised to x square. Now put the limit, integration from 0 to 1, x square minus x raised to 4 into dx. That now integrated this term x square minus x raised to 4 with respect to dx, we get x cube by 3 minus x raised to 5 by 5. We are just have to add the one integration. Its limit are from 0 to 1. Now put the limit, we get area is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 minus 0, and it will remain 0. That is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Now taking the LCM, 5 minus 3 by 15, that is equal to 2 by 15. So 2 by 15 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. And also if you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Also press the notification bell for new videos. Thank you.